you ready to make a splash this summer at the Boardwalk at Hersheypark? The 11-acre water park has more than 16 attractions, including 2 new wet and wild rides. Ready? Wet, go! The Whitecap Racer is the longest mat racing slide in the world, with 2 sets of looping tunnels. Compete against the family in 6-person heats, and see how you stack up against all the riders at Hersheypark. Have you ever tried a water roller coaster? Rock it through splash-filled hills and tunnels on Breakers EdgeSM Water Coaster, the first HydroMAGNETIC coaster with flying saucer turns. There's no better place to be on a hot summer day than the Boardwalk at Hersheypark. Cool off at the super soaking East Coast Waterworks, or choose from 6 of the Coastline Plunge tube slides. If you like smooth and easy, float around the Intercoastal Waterway, or take a dip at the shore, the Boardwalk's rolling wave pool. Everybody can get wet at the family-friendly Shoreline Sprayground, Sandcastle Cove, and the Bayside Pier Kiddie Wave Pool. The Boardwalk at Hersheypark is included in your one-price Hersheypark admission and is open Memorial Day through Labor Day.